Hey friends, the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale catalog is out and we are gonna go over the top picks for today because let's be honest, it's wildly overwhelming. So I spent a couple of hours combing through the best of the best so you don't have to, and that's exactly what we're gonna get into in today's video. I'm gonna start off in categories. Chapters will be linked below and there is a full blog post which basically everything linked in the description box as well. I'm not gonna go through every single top pick because this does not need to be an hour-long video. I'm just gonna go through a couple of highlights. So again, that's all in the description box below. So let's get started with boots and shoes, which can be one of the more exciting things to shop for at the sale. I am really in love with these Reese knee-high boots. I just feel like they are the perfect silhouette. They come in both black and brown and they're on sale right now for $3.99 and then the price goes up to, $6.40. So if you are looking for a new knee-high boot, definitely check these out. I personally am in need of a Chelsea boot this season, and for that, I'm really liking the Ash Chelsea boot. This one is really classic. It's $210, and then it's going up to $315. Also on my list, if you like a slouchy boot, this is kind of a little bit more trendy, but also kind of a casual feel, so I wanted to mention this one as well. That's the Vince Camuto boot. I think it's really, really done well. It's super cute, and it comes in, I wanna say, 3 colors or something like that. It's $149, so really, really affordable. Moving on to sandals, because like I said, we have lots to cover. I have not seen anybody show this 42 gold straw sandal yet. It's so pretty. Like, I just think this is the cutest sandal and it's only $99. Oh, I'm really, really loving this one. And I also have my eye on the Dolce Vita platform sandal. It's super trendy. Honestly, I can't even decide which color I like better. Let me know which color I should get in the comments below. I'd love to hear because I'm feeling really indecisive about it. But these are only $79. They come in 4 different colors and then it's going back to $135. So I feel like under $100, this is like a cute one to easily add to cart. Now, if this is your first time shopping the sale, then definitely add things to your wish list to make sure that you get your size and your style when it's your time to shop. I do have a few blog posts and videos that I'm going to link below sharing all the shopping tips and tricks for the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. But let's move on for now to tops and sweaters, which is another one of the more popular categories to shop at the sale. So this year, I'm really liking the Nordstrom cashmere funnel neck sweater. Nordstrom always has their own brand cashmere sweater at the sale, but I really like the funnel neck. It's not a turtleneck. I don't like things touching my neck. I don't know if that's weird, but I literally just, it gives me the heebie-jeebies. So this funnel neck sweater I think is a very, very classic and sophisticated. It looks elegant. And for cashmere, it's well priced at $99. Then it goes up to $149. I like that this one comes in 2 colorways as well. I actually kind of feel indecisive. I like the cream, but I really, really like the soft blue as well. Both absolutely beautiful. Next up is this Reese cable knit sweater. I actually loved a lot of the Reese pieces this year. They are just great and they are a little bit more on the expensive side, but such good quality. This cable knit sweater is just gorgeous. It is $189, then it's going up to $285. I think it's just gorgeous and classy and something that you'll have in your winter wardrobe for a really long time. A couple more affordable options I wanted to mention are 2 of them from Halogen. The first up is this contrast polo sweater. It's kind of basic, but I really like the detail on the V-neck. I just think that's kind of cute and it's only $31, so I think that's a good fun. And then there's this cutout sweater that's $58. This one goes up to $89. This one really reminds me of Revolve. I feel like I've seen like 10 of this variation of the sweater at Revolve. I'll try to find a similar one to link if you're interested. It'll be down below as well. I think that this is a good trend piece to add to your wardrobe in the fall and winter season. You can style this with jeans, you can style this with skirts, you can style this with pants. Like, it literally goes with anything, right on trend. Lastly, I can't keep my eyes off this Veronica Beard button down. This is, again, a little bit more on the pricey side. Veronica Beard is more expensive. I believe this one comes in at around $219, but it's not your typical button down. It has this really, it like gathers on the waist, and I think it's really cute and it will be flattering. So I'll be interested when I go to the store, and maybe if it's there, I'll try it on and do a full try on session later. By the way, if there's anything in particular you want me to try on and share in a future video, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'll be shopping hopefully in the next few days here, but this one really caught my eye, and I think this is another one, like a nice modern take to freshen up just a basic button down. Next up are the dresses. This is another super popular category. I cannot take my eyes off this Reese open back dress. I just think it is the epitome of like classy, gorgeous, modern dress. I think the silhouette is absolutely beautiful. I love the vibrant blue color. I love the way it's like slightly open in the back. I basically love, obviously, everything about this dress. So this one comes in at $249, then it will go up to $385. Yes, it's a little bit more on the expensive side, but again, I feel like such a classy, modern dress like this, you're gonna have for several years to come. Next up is the Steve Madden shirt dress. Now, this is one of my predictions for hot seller, probably gonna be one of the most popular dresses of the sale, because you can tell just by looking at the model that this is going to fit and flatter like so many figures, not to mention that the dress itself is just really wearable. This is one of those good to have, like when you don't know what to wear and you need to throw on something that'll kind of go with anything. That's this dress. It comes in 3 colorways and it is priced at $52.99, then it goes up to $89. So like I said, I just feel like out of all the dresses, and there's a lot of dresses at the sale, this is definitely gonna be one of the most popular ones, I'm thinking, and a hot seller for sure. Next up is this All Saints find. Now, this has been a trend to be wearing like a silky skirt with a sweater, and I really like how this is kind of like done for you and comes together. So you get the slip dress and you get the matching sweater, but you're getting 2 pieces out of this, so you can mix and match it however you like. I think the color is really, really pretty for fall, and this one is $239 and then going up to $365. But again, you're getting the sweater and you're getting the slip dress out of this. You can wear it together, you can wear it different ways. So I think this one is a good one to keep your eye on. Okay, 2 more in the dress section. And again, I have so many more on my blog that I think are top picks, but I'm really liking this Everyday Ritual caftan. It's $124, then it's going up to $188. So it's not as huge of a discount as some of the other dresses. And I actually didn't even know if I should put that in the dress section or the loungewear section, but here it is in dresses. I just love the look of this. It looks very casual. I feel like I could wear this now. And that is something different about the sale this year, is that I am noticing a lot more summer pieces where typically I feel like I've only seen fall. And this year the sale is a little bit different than it has been in years prior. I actually just released a video on whether or not the sale was worth shopping, so I'll link that below. And that's one of the things that I talk about, is that the sale just feels and looks a little bit different. There's less items overall to shop, and there's a little bit more summer finds and less fall. I'll point out some other differences as we go along. Last dress I wanted to mention is this open edit mini blazer dress. I just think this is like a fun, trendy piece, and it's down to $59, and then after the sale ends, it'll go back up to $89. Next up is the loungewear category, and you guys, I have to say that I actually had a really hard time narrowing it down. I feel like this year, the loungewear and pajamas section is really, really shining, at least in my eyes. First up is I was excited to see a couple of items from Lunya. Lunya makes 100% silk pajamas. I do have 1 pair and I really, really like them. I'm a very, very hot sleeper. I'm always super, super sweaty, especially in the summer months here in Arizona. I just always wake up sweaty. I recently got a pair of Lunya silk pajamas and they really do keep you cool. I have the racer back set, which is a part of the sale. There's a couple of different styles, like the t-shirt set, and there's a Nordstrom brand one too. So definitely check those out if you want to treat yourself or maybe somebody else to a pair of luxury silk pajamas. I'm also eyeing this Barefoot Dreams loungewear set. This probably is one that I'm going to be adding to my cart. It comes in 3 different colorways and it just looks so luxe. My lifestyle is definitely work at home. I want to be comfortable, but I also want to look put together. So this is definitely calling my name. I really, really like this one. It is $132, then it goes up to $198. And if you've ever owned anything from Barefoot Dreams, then you'll know how soft and cozy their fabrics are. So I'm really, really eyeing this one too. Finally, I wanted to highlight this gauze set from Everyday Ritual. I'm not really familiar with this brand. If you are, let me know what your experience is and if you've tried them before. I have not, but I'm really into these gauzy sets lately. I feel like they're light. I love the fabric, especially like I said here in the hot summer months. And this set is really, really cute. I keep calling it a set, but the pants and the top are sold separately, which is nice for sizing, but does bring it up a little bit more in price. And it comes in 3 different colorways. This is another one. Actually, no, it doesn't come in 3. It comes in 5. 5 different colorways. This is another one where like I really can't even decide which color to get, but they are currently on my wish list. There is always a lot of outerwear to highlight in the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. Again, I don't want to make this video too long, so I just want to bring up 2 standouts that I really loved. One is the Reese wool coat. This one was part of the sale last year. I did not get it last year and I kind of regret it. I'm seeing it at the sale again and I really like it. I just feel like this is so timeless, so elegant, incredibly sophisticated. It's just beautiful. I mean, you're gonna have this for years to come. It's priced currently at $385. Then it goes up to $650. So you are getting quite a bit of savings with this one. I also really like this Veronica Beard blazer. It's in tweed. It's $467, then $698. There's another one I wanted to show you too, but I guess I don't have it on this list. But I know that outerwear, like a blazer is more like a topper than outerwear, but I just thought this one was another really cute piece. There are a couple athleisure pieces to always keep in mind during the Nordstrom sale, whether you're looking for new Zella leggings or maybe a pair of Aloe. I almost always get a pair of Aloe yoga pant and top set at the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I'm not sure if I'm going to this year because the color this year that I'm seeing as part of the sale is kind of like a lipstick red, and I don't know if I really want to go for that color or not, but I do love the Aloe leggings. They are just really soft and they are really great whether you're at home working out or maybe doing a school pickup. I just like to have them. But you can really build, I think, like a capsule wardrobe out of a lot of these athleisure pieces in the sale this year. I'm really liking the Sweaty Betty half zip crop sweatshirt. This is $64.99. Then it's going up to $98. This will be really easy to mix and match because of the color with basically all of your workout clothing. I also like these Nike leggings and the Nike sweatshirt, which again, I would do that maybe Sweaty Betty sweatshirt paired with the Nike leggings. Super cute outfit. There's also a pair of Nikes that are in a similar colorway. They're white, they're black, they're cream. Again, I feel like this all kind of has a very similar aesthetic. And I also am really loving these Nike wide leg sweatpants. These are super trendy. They're not going to be everybody's cup of tea, and that's fine. I just think they are really cute, fun, and trendy. These are $51 and they are going up to $70. Now my last category I'm calling beauty, etc. I don't want to focus too much on beauty because I feel like that's kind of a personal thing. When you're shopping the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, I really encourage one of 2 things to do, and that is 1, to stock up on things that you already know that you use and you love. I saw that the Clarins, I think it's like the double serum, that's coming in a 2-pack this year. That's an item I've used before, so I might consider getting that. I almost always get Supergoop on sale because it's not like you can have too much sunscreen. We actually have the tub, which is on the sale this year, and it's like outside by the pool, and we got it last year during the sale. I'll probably pick it up again because I had it last nearly a year. So that's another really good one to find. And I always say to go for beauty tools as well if you are in the market for that. So if you want a new face, this is the time to get it. If you want a Dyson blow dryer, this is definitely the time to get it. Or like an air wrap, this is definitely a time to take advantage and snag one of those. Lastly, I do feel like the handbags were a little bit disappointing this year. I usually see some like really cute Tory Burch bags or really cute Michael Kors bags, but like this year was just kind of meh, like nothing super exciting. It's one of the things that I've noticed that is different about this year's sale versus years prior, where as far as like, I used to always see like a really great, at least one really great Tory Burch bag at the sale, and they're just not doing them anymore. If you are looking for something though, I did like this Rebecca Minkoff. It's totally giving Saint Laurent vibes. So if you are interested in getting like this look for less, this one is $204 and then goes up to $348. So it is a very big savings. Now, if you are wanting to stay in the know for everything in the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, be sure to grab my free printable shopping list. It's in the description box below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell. I am going to be doing a try on hopefully here in the next couple of days, and you won't want to miss out. Let me know in the comments below what you are shopping for, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.